Are you planning a trip to Oahu? Or maybe you're just trying to decide which of the Hawaiian Islands to visit. Well, I'm here to share my experience with you, and I hope it's helpful. I've been to all of the Hawaiian Islands a couple times, and this was my third time visiting Oahu. The funny thing about that is, Oahu was never my favorite island before this trip. But I feel like I experienced a completely different island this time, and now it is my favorite of all of them. Just goes to show how important it is that you do a little research ahead of time and make sure you don't miss all the best parts. Oahu has so much more to offer than just the world-famous Waikiki. I hope you watch to the end and enjoy a sneak peek of paradise. Waikiki is a very busy beach and area, but in a good way. There are some really great resorts right on the beach. For this trip, I stayed at the Outrigger Waikiki Beach Resort, home of the super fun and popular restaurant Duke's. By the way, Duke's is a must visit. Great food, atmosphere, and just super fun vibes. They have live music there daily, and the bar is just a really fun happening scene. It rained one day when I was at the pool. It was fun. It's warm outside and it's raining, and you know what? It's fun to swim in the rain.
I love discovering stuff like this.
Wow. You gotta watch where you're walking. Oh my God, this definitely seems like jungle. Is that the stream? Do you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Don't miss the fireworks you can watch on the beach, put on by the Hilton every Friday night. And also, every Saturday there's some sort of festival that they put on in the street right in front of Waikiki Beach. They will close the entire street, so keep that in mind for your coming and going at your hotel if you have a rental car. It was a minor inconvenience for me, but only because we came on a Saturday and left on a Saturday. So getting to and from the hotel on those days can be a little challenging. If you're in Waikiki, you have to check out Cuckoo Coconuts. They have really great food, really great staff, and the entertainment is off the chain. Check out this band, Oldies and Goodies. They're so good. I had so much fun. So I'm sure you've figured out how much I absolutely love Hawaii by this point. But what makes Oahu different than the other islands? Well, basically it comes down to one thing: entertainment. There's just so much more to do on Oahu. There's so many fun bars with live music, and everything you can do on the other islands you can do on Oahu, but they don't have the entertainment that you can find on Oahu. This trip I went with my best friend, and to be honest, if we had gone to Kauai or even Maui, I think we would have been bored. But on Oahu, literally everything we wanted was there, and we both had an absolute blast. And if you're going to go to Hawaii with your friends, I recommend Oahu. I hope you have a great trip, and thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more. And check out some of my other videos for more great vacation ideas, and have a blast. See you next time.